Myself Harish. I'm from Tumkur. So we visited Mr. Raju last month. January 28th. So I've come to give treatment for my mother, where she was suffering from hypertension, BP, and sugar, as well as this heart problem. So she started taking the medicine in a routine course, and also for joints pain and complete body pain. So now after a month she's feeling much better. Her pain has come down, and the gastritis where she was suffering, where she had improper food diet, and now everything is in control, and she's taking food on a regular basis, and she's having she's getting everything, and all things are in streamline. Also, and the pain has come down in such a way that she can walk, and she can manage herself, doing lots and lots of work, and she can roam around. She visits a lot of functions, and she attends a lot of functions, and she keeps on roaming now, and she's much more energized. Earlier she was not like that. So, and also as I have observed, she has improved a lot, and she's feeling much better, and she's having that flaxseeds diet drink, as well as this whatever the doctor has prescribed medicines, and she's taking in a very good way.
Okay. Does she take this flax drinks with flax oil also?
Yeah, the cold compressed.
Cold pressed flax oil. How many times does she take?
She's taking twice a day.
Twice.
Yeah.
So previously, because of this ortho problem, she could not walk.
Yeah, she could not walk. She could not. Once she was not able to do things properly. Like she was not very active. She used to feel tired, and she was not that active.
What about a sugar problem?
Sugar. Just 6 months back, it got shooted up, and she started taking medicines for that allopathic medicine past from 6 months, and daily she used to take the medicine for cholesterol or sugar for twice a day. Now she's taking for once in a day.
Since how long have you been taking this miracle drinks?
Miracle drinks, it has been almost 1 month.
1 month.
Yeah.
So previously, what was the sugar level?
In next month I'm getting the entire report, since doctor only suggested to get the complete detailed report after a month.
Okay.
Now this has happened just a month.
Yeah.
So now in another 1 week or 10 days we are getting it done, so that I can come and give that entire report.
That I understand. Now taking this diabetic medicine from us, how does she personally feel about it? That's important thing.
That's what she's much more excited, energized, and she's able to manage everything. She can do all alone.
Okay.
She walks around. She could manage herself. Wherein in the earlier days, like before this miracle drink, where she started using it, she was not able to do things properly.
Must have been feeling very tired.
Yeah. Every time she used to take a nap, and never that energy was not there.
Okay.
All the time the energy was down. Now she's feeling much more
active now.
Yeah. She has become much more active.
Okay.
Yeah.
What else would you like to say about the miracle drinks?
Yeah, it is creating miracles. And now I have started taking this. Today I'm taking this miracle drink for migraine. Just now I visited
You have gastric problem?
Gastric also. Okay. And also I have body pain.
Body pain also.
Yeah, that's common. Why? Because I travel a lot. So that's the one reason.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.